Rhythm roulette. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the Silly Boy Mitch channel. Today we're going to be starting a new series which is music related. This is basically a rip off of Mass Appeal's Rhythm Roulette, but my own version essentially. Not really my own version, it's very similar. We're going to be picking a random vinyl and sampling it and making a beat out of it. So today we're going to be using this Spiral Gyra Morning Dance record. This, if I'm not wrong, Spiral Gyra are a jazz collective, so this should be pretty good for sampling. And yeah, let's get right into it. I think I'm going to use a guitar. I'm going to slice this bad boy up. So I think the beat's more or less finished. I could add a bass line, but I'm not really feeling the loop as much. But I've got a beat out there and all the drum breaks are exported that I've chopped up and stuff, along with the actual sample that's chopped up. So it's a decent attempt for its first time at this challenge. Hopefully I get better. I didn't really like that loop, to be honest with you, but the drums are quite nice, so I thought I'd just release this video anyway. So if you did enjoy the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more of these Rhythm Roulette videos. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm gonna let the beat play out and you can listen to it in its full. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.